Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are diving in a new topic. Let's jump in it right now.
Stop paying for ChatGPT 4. Seriously. What if I told you there's a powerful way to use ChatGPT 4, DALL-E 3, and even connect it to Google for free? Yes, completely free, no tricks, no shady stuff. Just a platform called Cause.com that's letting you build your own smart AI assistant in minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, what you can do with it, and why this might be the best ChatGPT alternative out there right now. Let's jump into the setup. Step 1. Go to Cause.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create Bot. Step 2. Name your bot. Give your bot a cool name. Step 3. Click Confirm. Boom, your bot is created. Step 4. Add plugins. Click on Plugins. There are also other cool tools you can connect like YouTube Summarizer, Productivity Helpers, or even PDF readers. From here, add ChatGPT 4, DALL-E 3, and Google Search. Step 5. Publish your bot. Click on Publish. Then choose Open in Bot Store. Now your bot is live and ready to use. Just ask it anything. Cause.com is a platform that allows you to build your own AI-powered bots using the latest AI models, including ChatGPT 4, DALL-E 3 for images, and even live Google search integration. You can customize your bot, give it a name, personality, and access to powerful plugins for free. This isn't some trial version. This is the real deal. Whether you're a student, a creator, a small business owner, or just curious about AI, this is a game changer. Let's test it out with a few real-life examples. Example 1, draw me an elephant. The bot generates a beautiful AI image instantly using DALL-E-3. Why this is a game changer? Uses the actual GPT-4 model. You can integrate more tools as plugins. It's fast and very easy to use. Great for content creators, students, researchers, and business owners. It's like building your own super assistant in minutes. Okay, now that you've seen all the cool features, let me be completely honest with you. I've tested Cause.com myself, and while yes, it does give you access to ChatGPT 4, Google Search, and plugins, it's not unlimited. There are daily usage limits, and you'll hit them pretty quickly if you use it often. At the end of the day, platforms like these are amazing for light use, experimenting, or building a basic personal assistant. But if you want serious power, full customization, and no usage limits, I'd recommend going one of two ways. Option 1. Subscribe to ChatGPT Plus by OpenAI. For $20 a month, you get full access to ChatGPT 4, custom GPTs, advanced tools like DALL-E, code interpreter, file upload, and more. It's the real deal. straight from OpenAI, super reliable, and honestly worth it if you're using AI every day. Option 2. Build a custom assistant using GPTs. Inside ChatGPT Plus, you can actually build your own custom GPT with memory, custom instructions, and plugins, like your own AI employee. You don't need any coding skills, and it works way better than free alternatives in the long run. So yes, use free tools like cause.com to get started, explore, and learn. But if you want your own full-power AI assistant, you'll eventually want to upgrade. The question is, do you want just a taste of GPT-4 or do you want the whole kitchen? Let me know in the comments. Are you sticking with the free version or going all in with ChatGPT Plus?